Hi everyone, welcome back to EduPlanet Academy. As I said in the previous class, we will have three kind of similarity rules. Those are SSS Similarity Criteria and AAA or AA Similarity Criteria, and the third one SAS Similarity Criteria. Today we are going to learn about them one by one. The first similarity criteria is SSS. SSS stands for side, side, side. This is very easy. See here, I have taken two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Here, corresponding sides are AB and DE, one set. Second set of corresponding sides, BC and EF. Third set, AC and DF. SSS similarity criteria is saying that if corresponding sides are in the proportion, it means AB by DE equals BC by EF equals AC by DF. It means in two triangles, if corresponding sides are in the proportion, or else if corresponding sides are in the equal ratio, then I can say that given triangles as similar. It means triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. That's all. This is known as SSS similarity. The next similarity criteria is AA similarity criteria. It means angle similarity criteria. This is also very easy. This is saying that in two triangles, if corresponding angles are equal, then given triangles will be similar. It means here corresponding angles are what? Angle A and angle P. One set of corresponding angles, angle A equals angle P. Second set, angle B equals angle Q. In the title, what I have written, AA similarity criteria. Yes, two set of angles I have mentioned. But what about the third angle? In two triangles, if two corresponding angles are equal, then automatically the third set of angle also will be equal. It means I can mention that angle C equals angle R. In the conclusion, I can say that in two triangles, if three set of angles are equal, then I can say that given triangles are similar. It means triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. That's all. The third one is SAS similarity criteria. It stands for side, angle, side. Let us see about it. Here I have taken two triangles. So in the two triangles, what is same? In triangle XYZ and in triangle PQR, what is same? Both angles are equal, angle Y and angle Q, because these two are right triangles and angle Y and angle Q both are right angles. Angle Y equals angle Q. In this case, as per SAS rule, I can say that in two triangles, if one set of corresponding angles are equal, then angle included sides will be in the equal ratio. Hence, given triangles will be similar. The concept is very easy. In these two triangles, angle Y equals angle Q. Then angle included sides. What are angle included sides here? Angle Y included sides are XY and YZ. Here angle Q included sides are what? PQ and QR. They will be in the equal ratio. It means I can write that XY by YZ equals PQ by QR. Therefore, I can say that given triangles will be similar. It means triangle XYZ similar to triangle PQR. Now we can see how to remember these three criteria rules very easily. SSS means corresponding sides should be equal ratio. Corresponding sides should be in the equal ratio. Next, AA similarity criteria means corresponding angles should be equal. SAS criteria means one set of corresponding angles should be equal. One set of corresponding angles should be equal, and angle included sides will be in the equal ratio.